AT&T Uverse signal loss can be frustrating, but understanding the underlying technology helps identify the root causes. Uverse uses a fiber-to-the-node architecture, which combines fiber optic and copper line technology. This diagram shows how Uverse delivers IPTV signals. Fiber optic cables carry data to neighborhood nodes, then existing copper telephone lines bring the signal to your home using VDSL2 technology. The most common cause of signal loss is physical connection problems. Corroded connections affect approximately 35% of all Uverse service calls, making this the first thing to check. Next, inspect all coaxial and Ethernet cables for physical damage. Look for kinks, cuts, compression damage, or sharp bends that can disrupt signal transmission. A surprisingly common issue is incorrect TV input selection. Verify that your television is set to the correct input channel where your Uverse receiver is connected. Modern Uverse receivers have enhanced diagnostic tools that provide specific error codes. Document any error messages you see, as these codes help technicians identify exact problems quickly. Understanding bandwidth requirements is crucial for signal stability. Each HD stream requires 6 to 8 megabits per second. Multiple simultaneous streams can overwhelm your connection's capacity. When multiple devices use bandwidth simultaneously, signal quality can degrade. Streaming services, gaming, and file downloads all compete for the same connection capacity, potentially causing Uverse signal issues. Understanding these diagnostic fundamentals helps identify most Uverse signal issues. Check physical connections, inspect cables, verify inputs, document error codes, and consider bandwidth usage. These steps resolve many common problems before requiring professional service. The first troubleshooting step is power cycling your Uverse equipment. This simple process can resolve many temporary signal issues. Unplug the receiver from power for exactly 30 seconds. This allows the internal components to fully reset and clear any temporary glitches. After 30 seconds, reconnect the power cable. The receiver will boot up and reestablish its connection to the network. Next, we need to assess your cables. Damaged or degraded cables are a common cause of signal loss in Uverse systems. Inspect your coaxial cables for physical damage. Look for kinks, cuts, compression damage, or corrosion at the connectors. These issues can significantly impact signal quality. Replace any damaged cables with known good ones. Use high-quality RG6 coaxial cables rated for the frequencies your system requires. Splitters are critical components that can make or break your signal quality. Many Uverse issues stem from improper or aging splitters. Your splitters must be rated for 5 to 1000 MHz minimum and be bidirectional for IPTV service. Standard cable TV splitters will not work properly with Uverse. Minimize the number of splits in your main TV line. Each split reduces signal strength. Replace splitters older than 5 years, as they can degrade over time. Finally, check your input configurations. Incorrect connections or resolution mismatches can cause display issues that appear to be signal problems. Verify that your HDMI or component cables are securely connected to the correct ports. Check that your TV is set to the right input channel. Ensure there are no resolution mismatches between your Uverse box and TV. Both devices should be set to compatible display settings for optimal performance. If you continue experiencing issues after these troubleshooting steps, consider that AT&T is encouraging Uverse to migrate to DirecTV Stream. Support for Uverse equipment may be limited as the service is being phased out.